Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be removing the rear fenders on your Arctic Cat Alterra so we can get stuff cleaned up underneath, or if we need access underneath, I'll show you how to remove your rear fender. I'll be skipping a step on this video because I don't want to remove the rear bumper or this rear fascia. Otherwise, there are 4 bolts back in here that will make it a lot easier to do. So we're going to start and remove this rear fender. Let's get into it. You just have to pull off your rack accessories, remove your rack. That one was loose. This here is actually a mount for ham radio operators can put their antenna on the back of ATVs. A lot of ATVs have that feature on them.
It's for a safety flag.
Oh. Alright, so basically we're just going to undo the bolts under here, the bolts under the rack, pull those out. But that's going to unhook from this here. There's also these little clips underneath in the lights here that clip to the fender here. So we'll have to take those out, and this heat shield here by the exhaust so you can get to those clips. I am going to do a little bit of extra work to pull these tail lights out, but then I'm pulling these clips out just so I can remove the fender without having to remove the whole back plastic fascia piece. So it's a little more involved that way. Alright, to remove the gas cap, you'll have to undo the screw here on the clamp. Get that loose so you can pop that cap out from the top. Now I'm going to pop this off, just throw some tape over that so I don't get junk in.
This is what I feel.
Alright, now we can pull off the rear fender. Now I did an extra step so I don't have to remove the bumper or this rear plastic fascia, so I can just remove the fender. So that is the fender. Actually gonna bring this out. I'm gonna clean this up here and put my sticker heat tape on that, layer that up. And while I'm in here, there is this rattle here, which is kind of annoying, so I'll look into that next. So that is how to remove the rear fender. How to get your gas tank unhooked, your rear lights, everything. All I did was just leave that rear fascia piece on there. Otherwise, you could just take out the 4 bolts that are on either side here of the rear box. Then this whole plastic piece will come with the fender, and you don't have to undo all these little clips here. Alright, we got the fender on and the rack on. Now we're just going to stick our filler tube onto the gas tank, get that hooked up, and then I'm going to tighten down the rack. I left it all loose so it can move, and I didn't mount the front here so I can get that tube in there. Alright guys, that is how to remove and install the rear fenders, racks. Hope you found this video helpful. Like if you did, subscribe, be sure to follow along, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.